Okay, Chapter 10, Question 21. We're given a situation and we're asked some questions about this. And since the questions are talking about a treatment group and such, we can see this is an experiment. So they're testing a new HPV vaccine. We've got Group 1 who receives the HPV vaccine, and Group 2 receives the existing HPV vaccine. The patients in the study do not know which group they are in. So first of all, which is the treatment group? So this is both are getting a treatment, but one's getting the old treatment. And oftentimes in medications, this is how it works. If some people are getting a treatment, they use the old treatment, they continue it. So I would say Group 1, who's getting the new vaccine, they are a treatment group. They're the ones we're wanting to test. That makes Group 2 the control group, because they are getting an old vaccine and we're testing, is the new one better? Okay, but we have to have that baseline to draw from. The control is continuing the current treatments that are given. Just like if you go on a diet, your control group would continue to eat, but they would continue to eat their old regular food, whereas the diet group might have a special group type of food that they would eat. We don't cut off the old treatments. Okay. C, is this study blind, double-blind, or neither? Well, we can see it's blind because the participants do not know which group they're in. Now, whether it's a double-blind or not, we're not given the information, so we'll assume not, because they would have told us that the researchers didn't know, making it a double-blind. But we don't have that information. Our assumption is it's simply a single blind. So what is the best description of this? It's an experiment, certainly. It's a controlled experiment. Yes, there's a control group. But even better, it is a placebo-controlled experiment because the Group 1 that receives the new vaccine, they receive it in such a way, they receive it the same way as the old vaccine, so there is no difference between the two that they can tell, other than having maybe the label on the bottle, but I'm sure that is covered because they don't know whether they're getting the new or the old. So this is a placebo-controlled experiment.